what happens when muscle goes electric but keeps its attitude? You get the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona, a bold new chapter for an American icon. This isn't just a Charger with a battery, it's a full-on reinvention that still knows how to flex. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, and today we're diving into why the Daytona might just be the future of modern muscle. Design. Let's start with the looks. The 2026 Charger Daytona isn't shy. With its wide stance, aggressive front end, and signature R-wing aerodynamic pass-through, it's every bit as menacing as its gas-powered ancestors. Flush lighting, sculpted lines, and a fastback roofline give it a futuristic edge without losing that Dodge DNA. Performance. Now for the fun part, performance. Depending on the trim, the Daytona delivers between 500 to over 800 horsepower, thanks to the new STLA large electric platform. It's fast, shockingly fast, with instant torque and a 0 to 60 time that embarrasses most supercars. And yes, it even has the Fretonic chambered exhaust, pumping out synthetic but satisfying muscle car sound. Features and technology. Inside, Dodge kept it driver-focused. A massive curved display blends the digital gauge cluster with the infotainment system, and everything from ambient lighting to drive modes is customizable. You'll find launch control, over-the-air updates, and a track mode that dials everything up. It's loaded but not overdone. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Charger Daytona the future of muscle? It's loud, proud, and fully electric, without forgetting where it came from. But what do you think? Is this the evolution you were hoping for? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with your fellow gearheads, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more no-nonsense takes on the cars that matter. Until next time, drive smart, drive bold.